Hey guys, today I'm going to make an egg in the basket. So let's get toasting. My wife used to make these when she was alive, but she used to do them on the stove. So anyway, I'm going to use some sourdough bread. This is sliced sourdough here, but you can use any kind of bread that you like. White bread works fine. That's what she used to use. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I already wiped the pan with some butter. So now what you do is you cut a hole in the bread. I don't have a cookie cutter, but I have this can of corn. It's about the right size. So we'll just use that and kind of cut a hole out of it, out of the center of the bread like that. And then we'll cook the egg right inside that hole. Let's see, just take an egg, crack it here. All right. And now I'm just going to put this in my toaster oven. I'm going to use the dark toast setting for this, and I'll keep an eye on it. I want my yolk a little bit runny. Let's see how this looks. That egg looks pretty firm. I think that's good. Looks like the egg's done about right, and the toast didn't get overly brown either, so it looks good. Now I'm going to season it with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Alright, that looks good. Hopefully this will come out of the pan okay. Oh yeah, looks good. Maybe I can just put that piece right underneath. Kind of fill it in. There we go. Let's see how my yolk looks here. Hopefully it's runny enough that I can spread it out all over the bread here. That looks pretty good. Not bad, not bad. And I kind of put that round piece, kind of filled the hole in underneath. So, let me grab this and we'll try a bite. That's good on the sourdough bread. That worked out good, but I guess we better see what Annie thinks. Looks like it's Annie approved. Let's make an easy, inexpensive meal. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.